This conference will now be recorded.
Yep, I'm audible. Uh, what's the last topic, Sonal?
Break statement, continuous statement.
Sorry. So we had discussed about the break statement, continuous statement, right, Sri? And we had given some assignment. Did you get the chance to work onto that?
Yeah, I wrote that assignment for one for the continuity and one for the one more example for break actually.
Mm-hmm. I have not received any mail.
I'll send when the session is getting done.
Okay. Okay. So what about you, Sonal? Assignments?
Yes, sir. I'll check for the continue and break statement. Few examples on it.
I know, but I should have a mail. So I can just cross-check the command, your approach, the code you're writing, everything, right? Correct. So, guys, I told you don't skip the assignment. Actual learning is your self-learning, and what you're learning, how much you practice, how many use case you're doing, that is very, very important. So if you're skipping this assignment, I'm not confident in the coming session or in the coming topic. All are the advanced part, and which all the concept which we learned in the previous part, right? So please be serious about the topic which you're learning every day, and it's very important to hands-on and use case as much as possible. You can do it. I believe I've given you the link as well to our blog. You can go and do some more cases there itself. So okay, thank you. So guys, this is the topic which we have already covered in last couple of days. It's about basic Python. We learn about the syntax of the Python, how to print. We learn about concatenation. We talk about the for, if, while loop case optimization. We'll talk about different loop in different condition, ethical and non-ethical way how to run the loop as well. Okay. Now we are moving to the collection topic, list, tuple, set, dictionary. So we'll see all the operation. We have a basic command. We learn about list, tuple, set. But now we will get more into deep dive about list, tuple, sets, dictionary. These all the four topics is very important. I want you guys be in the session and be regular. Missing any session will discontinue your rhythm. Okay. It's pretty easy to learn all this thing. Need to your consistency to work. That's it. So guys, this is what I'm creating an empty list. Let me go through first again. List operation. What exactly? Uh, okay, Python. Hmm. All right. So see here. Revise it once again. What is list, tuple, set, and dictionary? So this is the sign. This is a bracket we use in list. First in, first out. Mixed. Mixed version. It all stored non-homogeneous data. It too works FIFO, but set and dictionary does not have any order. Only the difference between list and tuple is what? List, we can change the value, we can update the value, but tuple is immutable. Both are indexed, we can read or write data randomly. Set is non-indexed, dictionary is all about key value, we can call data by key value. The set is the only component where we have a no duplicacy. Rest you can have a duplicacy. So today's session we are talking about list. Then after completion of the list, all the operation, all read, write, retrieve, CRUD operation, create, update, read, delete. This all we'll discuss today. Okay. So this is what your empty list. I believe you guys, Sonal, Shubham, I believe you have your Jupyter is open. Hello. Yes, Shubham, are you there? Okay. All right, Sonal. So list, this is the command, lst. You create a one list with all the string value.
This is
This
for
is
Python syntax, right? LST is a Python syntax
user
or
defined.
just declared value? Just user
Yeah,
defined. Okay.
user defined.
Okay.
Okay. This is all a user defined. You can create
Okay.
it. Use this.
Okay.
That's
Only the braces will indicate like it's a list.
exactly
That's it, right?
exactly
Braces.
what you're doing actually.
Okay. Okay.
So this is what your list. This is you can put non-homogeneous data means integer tuple. It looks like array, but it's not mandatory. As I mentioned here, it support all the non-homogeneous different type of data. Okay. Okay, Sonal, thank you. This is the LST1 to 4 list I have. Okay, you can see that. Inside the list, I created the list. It's a nested list. Okay. Different data type. This is the 4 different approach, all possible. Okay. Now see here. LST3 is equal to in this list 3, I want to update the value Ramu from Shyam. So 0 or 1 indexing, I want to update this value. So this is the syntax to update the value. Okay. LST2, it's a list. It's a 0 index, 1, 2, right? 0,
Yes.
1, and 2. Here we have LST2. You can see here it's 0, 1, but inside that we have another list, right? So what position you want to read? 0, 1. So I'm changing the value. I'm changing the value 5. Run this command, guys. Just make it fast. And this is what value I have. I'm running this. Sorry, I have to execute this first. And then I will execute this. That's working fine. Yes, please make it fast. Can see LST now written what? LST31. So now LST3 1, this it's printing Sham, submitted the value. And see here LST3 I have, it is Ramu here, Sham, and I updated the value here 3 to 5, so here it's a 3 to 4. So this is all about list, how to create and update. Create, CURD, create, update. This is where we read and delete. We'll talk about. Okay. LST3, you want to append a record. You want to append a record into this. So how to append a record in a list? This is shorthand, guys. Okay. LST plus equal to, it's a shorthand, and this is what I'm adding. Now if you print LST3 what, print LST3, if I run this, then it just one sec, let me execute this as well. So see here, when I executed this LST3, this is the value it's coming. So this is how you can append a new record in a list. And the position, we have not as assigned the position, so that is why it is coming at last by default. Now the difference between append and insert, you can write on this point, guys. Delete, we will learn about delete as well. So yes, you can write down append and insert, both will add a new record into your list. But what is the difference between append and insert? Now see here, LST3, let's add the value in LST, written hello, then again print LST3, and see here, easily added. All right, LST1 dot insert, if you want to add it by the position wise, this is 2, my mistake. I'm putting the 2 record, 2 and hello. Okay, 2 and hello. So you see here, LST1, I'm inserting this record and I'm printing LST1. Just a minute. So LST1, this is what your LST operation, LST1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm saying that, hey, I want to add a new record. I want to add a new record on this position.
Okay.
All right, on this position. So 0, 1, 2, it is coming here. And the 3 and 4 is coming here. You can see here. LST1. So 0, what is the position you're given to? 0, 1. Okay. And this position, it is taken by hello. So when I'm printing here LST1, it's giving you 1, 2, hello, 3, 4. Guys, a request to kindly mute yourself. There's some background noise. Okay. So this is what we have result. So this is position wise. If you want to append a record, you can do insert. Okay. This is the one way insert, and this is also one way to insert. Position wise, I'm using here insert. All right. LST remove. LST dot remove. LST. What we have in LST case. LST. Now you want to delete record, right? LST. Let me remove this and run this now. LST remove. Now one. What you move to print LST, it gone. Why I'm tagging? Because next time I'm using that, I make sure that all the data should become right. And LST is coming here. LST3 append this. Now in LST, let me add this. In LST3 append, to see here, append 4 by. So fourth position, what we have? LST3 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So LST3 4 position it will go by. What happened? When takes exactly one argument. All right. It should work now. All right. So just, I guess I'll run it multiple times. Let me just, this is the problem it's facing, it run multiple times. Now it's fine. So ls3 append dot by. So ls3 what we have, one, keep confusing me all the times. Just one sec.
So print ST3.
No. Okay. Yeah. Print. Why I have given this? Because append does not allow multiple argument like you are writing here. You got it? Yeah, I got your point. You can print LST3. It is I'm writing multiple times, so it is adding multiple times. So go here. Okay. Hello. It just added. Hope you understand. So why I given this command? It does not allow multiple argument if I'm passing this value by this. This command will not run. It will directly give you exception. So hope you get it. So if you're giving the command position wise, if you want to append, you have to use the insert. All right. Any doubt, guys? Yes. Any question?
No, sir.
Yes, Ray. Sonal.
No, nothing.
Okay.
Sir, what?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
If what if I wanted to add more than one string at a different position?
This you write it after two position. You can add it here. So it will start from two position and it keep adding this. Okay. You got it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You add it. So from two second position you want to add this all the hello hi. All right. You add it.
No, but if I want to add high on fourth position, so where I need to add 4?
So what is this insert is all about? You got it?
No, sir.
You're
What I'm
talking.
saying is I want to add hello on different position and high on different position.
We have to run the two different commands then. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So
Now I got it. Got it, sir.
and the operation you have to put it. Okay.
Okay. Oh, yes, sir. Got it.
We'll discuss more about that because what you're talking about. I will see you. So many cases are there. Many things you will get it. So let's not jump randomly. Allow me some time. Too many cases you will learn in this. And I make sure that till the completion of this, all the topic, all the command, you will get all the answer of your query. How to run multiple cases if you have. Okay. So append and extend. Guys, you understand? Append, insert is clear. Both look like same.
Yes.
But append, you cannot add the value in the list position wise because it takes single argument. It takes only single argument. This is the two argument. This is the single argument. All right. Now let's talk about append and extend. What is the difference between append and extend? Case one. Okay. If you're not clear, please ask a question. I told you this is the very basic thing, but you cannot understand. And the next topic, because we are using all this in the next model or when you write any program, we are using all this concept. So if you're not clear, please stop me and ask a question. That's very, very important. Append and extend, case one. This is the one list. This is the second list. LST dot union operation. Union operation, right? Print LST. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Guys, clear? Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Clear. Yeah, clear. That LST1 is added in the LST as it is.
Okay. All right. But if you say why this bracket is coming, it's not looks good. Yes, Rita?
Yeah,
Not look
I
good,
can
right?
see it.
It
Yes.
is showing me it comes from a different part. If it is a
Hmm.
single list, then why you are showing me this? So it identify me it is coming from different list and you have just added. I don't want to show this. I don't want to user let know that it is the part of that. So that is the reason I'm using extend. So when I'm doing the
Hmm.
extend 1, 2, 3, 4. When I'm showing you the output, you never come to know I did this. I have added this to list because it's look like in a single list. But when I'm doing this, the doubt and if a person know, okay, it will come to its addition of two list. Guys, clear?
Hmm.
Append and extend.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now, delete or pop. What is the difference? We have already done a one operation is remove.
Remove.
So, Shri, you have a laptop Windows, right? You use Windows, right?
Yeah.
If any data got deleted and you want to recover the data, what do you do?
You mean to tell the files? Like I will go to the recycle bin and I'll
Laptop, you
check whether
deleted
I
and
can.
sorry,
I'll go to recycle bin and I will check it once whether it
exactly.
is there.
That is what the difference between delete or pop. Permanent delete, pop is
Shift.
what like a recycle bin.
Okay. So like delete means shift delete, right?
Exactly. So you decide what delete you want prefer and do that operation accordingly. Both will delete the data, but it's a shift, it's a recycle. Now see here. Guys, clear? So see, this is one operation I'm doing. This is what LST 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the delete LST1, LST1, 0, 1. So I'm deleting this 2. And then print LST1, 3, 4. So I say, hey, Shri, it was a mistake. Recover the data. So you say we don't have option to recover the data. So next time,
Okay.
if you are doing this operation, I will say you don't do this operation. If I need any deleted data backup or recovery, then use the pop and delete. So LST is equal to this A. Now there's a button recycle bin where you go and search this, but here how you will recover the deleted data, you assign this deletion into a variable. Fine. Sonal, it's clear. So
Yes, sir.
this,
Clear.
when you're deleting this, you write this and you assign this in a variable. So it will remove the element from the list and hold the element in a variable. So see here, when you write print A, it is showing the 2, but when you're writing print LST, it is not showing that. Clear, guys? Interesting.
Sir, if I insert a value of A in position 1, then it will pop up with the 2 in the list
Sorry.
in the same program. Right now I'm popping up the value, right? 2.
Hmm.
So right now the value of A is holding 2. If I want to insert A into LST, is it possible?
You want to insert A into LST. You're
Yeah.
saying that, right?
So it's the same position again.
Okay. No. It will not go
No, right?
back. It's just a variable you're holding into this.
Okay, it's
You're
a
talking
temporary
about auto
storage.
store, right?
Yeah,
You're
yeah,
talking about auto store, right?
yeah. Auto restore to the
Yes,
same
like it
position
will
again with
just make a right click and it will go and uh, the position where
sit
you
in the
have
same
deleted.
position. Yeah, yeah.
It's auto store. I never get the chance. You can write this. I never find any auto store command in Python. Plus, you can write this. Let's work on. Just write this, guys. Assignment. I never had this experience to auto store command in Python, but you can. Okay, just write it. How to store restore, right? And list which deleted and store using pop, right? Straight. I believe this is the question, right? So let's take this assignment. I'm not sure. Restore assignments. Let me have it. Last insert. Okay. Ls capital. It's last or LST.
A is a variable right now, which holding the value, right?
No, this is the one way to insert a record. I got it. What you have written? Insert 1A.
Is it has to insert in the position 1 with a value of A. It will work.
So no, that is the
A is holding TW.
no. Okay, let me try
It won't
this.
work.
Okay, I guess print
It's a
LST,
kind of
right?
prediction actually. Yeah, LS. Just prediction, that's it.
No, this is the common then. Look, this is we can do it easily. My
No,
this
no,
we
no.
can
A is holding the value of TWO, right? That's what I thought.
no, on first position you are adding a value A. That is what is happening.
Okay.
Got it? So
Yeah,
that is
yeah.
the normal.
It's
We have
value.
discussed already this.
Yeah, yeah. No.
This
I
we have
thought
already.
that, yeah. Yeah, I
No,
thought
I
that
guess
value of A equals to TWO, right? It will insert TW. That's what I predicted.
let's say I want to add the value of A into this restore, right? So what this pop-up hold this value, I want to get back into this,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So that is what restore function. That is
Yes.
generally recycle bin. It's a restore. Format. Print list after removing element as an index. Remove an item list. Remove this. And this is interesting. You ask how to release used memory. Release difference between delete. You see here, there's no need. Auto restore. Can I remove element? Like create a payload. Slice. Okay, guys, just check it from here. I'll check it from my end as well. Restore option is there in Python not. Okay, guys. I hope you clear the question what she asked. If yes, Sonal.
Listen.
Okay, so just check it. Restore option is there in or not? I don't think so. It's available.
I saw one option in Google just now. It's a reverse syntax. Reverse.
Uh,
REVERSE. I saw
okay,
it in
what?
Google just.
Okay, just write me in the chat.
1 second.
Okay, reverse. REVE. Just 1 sec. Reverse dot st. Is this command? I don't think so. I will check it on. Okay, better. In list related keywords in Python. In and not in, we have already discussed about this, guys, right? In and not in. Yes, please. In and not in. So Sridhar, you are in my team or not? In coding how the Python.
Yes.
This is my team name, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Right. This is what my in my team. Let's say this is the team. In my team, these are the names. Okay. So in my team, if this value is available, then print yes. It's very simple to check the person in a team or not. So in a database, if you want to search anything, it's this is the best one, right? If you have in a list and you have a number of details record. So to cross check, we use in. Available, not in means not available. If 5 not in list, print no. So 5 is not there, we print what? No. All right, in and not in. You're talking about this reverse?
No.
Sorry.
Yes, I
That's
guess.
it.
No. This is different.
No, it's wrong. All right, we'll see that how to store option. Reverse 4321. Okay. Simple.
Okay.
4321. A is equal to this, B is equal to sorted A, C is equal to sorted true, D is equal to sorted reverse. So what will happen? Let's see here. Sorting, I believe you know that. There are a number of algorithm, right? Binary search, linear search, sorting, ascending order, descending order, right? But it's slightly different. Now see here. 945632. Let's say short this, B sorted A. So default value of reverse is false. So you can pass the argument as well, guys. Here you can pass the argument as well. Let's say if I print B here, sorry, print B, so it will sort my value ascending order. By default it will print my value in ascending order. Why it is happening? Because the default value of reverse is false. Why it is doing an ascending value? Why not descending value? Because by default the value of reverse is what? False. If you want to make it in descending order, so you have to pass this argument as well. Reverse is equal to true, and when you print C, then it will do it in descending order. If you make it false, again it will print in. By default it's false, so again even you do not write this. Let's do one thing. I make it true and I remove this, and let's execute. Yeah, so by default it will give you 2 3 4 5 6 9. Clear, guys? So by default value is always, so you have to manually type this if you want in descending order. Okay, now the case 2. The case 2 would say that float value come first. Float value come first. A is equal to this. A1 1 2 3. So A is equal to this. Now you tell me guys how the value will come. Just be online, guys. Yep, tell me what value it will come. Yep, you can read the value. It's all the mix of its integer, float, it's a negative value. So how it will come? And I have a varying value 1 2 3 3 4. So if I be shorted A, so
It will start from the
it is
negative
very
end.
acceptable. But remember 2.0 and 2, which value will come first? Why it is, guys, can you help to understand why it is coming like this? Why the float is coming first?
Might be float value will be having this floated value right after 2 point something if it is added in future.
Okay, so remember always, guys, float and integer, the priority always be on the float first. Okay. Address wise as well, I've shown you that day. The address of float and integer never same. If you write that int a is equal to 2, and if you write float a is equal to 2.0, right? So for both, the address will be not the same. So that is the reason the value is coming here first of float, then integer. This value, of course, it's bigger, so it is coming that way. Okay.
This 9.2 is float value, right? One.
Hey, come on, Sri. It's the sorted one, right? Which one value is bigger? Don't get too much float integer. Use common sense as well.
Okay.
9.2, and look, I'm giving you 2 rupees, I'm giving you 2.0 rupees. How much value you have?
Okay.
Ultimately,
Fine.
you have a 2 rupees, right?
Yes.
Right. That is the confusion.
Yeah.
Why? So either float or double, which value should come first? Both the value is same.
Okay.
Hope you got it, right?
Yeah, true.
But here it is a bigger, so of course it's an ascending order, it's coming at last, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Sonal, hope it's clear, right?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
clear.
Sonal?
But in the second list one, there is 1, 2, 3. So height is 1, 3, 2.
Alphabetically sorted.
Yeah. Yeah,
Why it is not in
Sonam.
assigned?
W, which come first? TH, you know the dictionary, remember? In academy, you will be
Okay,
given a
okay, yeah,
dictionary, right? So how you find out the
yeah,
word? So both are T,
yeah,
T, right? Which
yeah,
come first? H or W?
TH, TH,
That's it.
yeah, okay,
So 1, 2, 3 will not present. Python does not read this as a 1, 2, 3. Python don't know English. Okay, Python know its library, and it's what you have asked to do sorted. Clear?
yeah, so clear now.
Now case 3, please, I should not ask you, it's clear. If not clear, please ask. Overridden. One, two, three, four, five. Let's make it one empty data set. Okay. LST. LST1. Okay. What I'm trying to do here, in LST1, I'm assigning the value. All right. I'm holding what? LST1 value in LST. Okay. LST1 dot append 4. Can anyone answer me? Yes. Please don't focus here. LST1 dot append 4. What it will give you output? Hey, come on. We have discussed about the append, right?
Just a 4.
So what happened, guys, here? There's all the data gone because I assigned this LST1 value. LST value got assigned into LST1, so both become blank. All right. It's become empty, right? And now you added an LST. What you have added? LST1. What you have added? 4. Okay. Let me write here. So LST, you have this value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and LST does not have any value. LST1 does not have any value. Okay, because it's empty. So, and after that, what I do? In LST, I put all the, I assign it LST1. LST1 is what? Blank, so it's gone. Then LST1 I append value 4. Okay, let's come here. So according to this statement, it will also come this. Right, guys? Did you get that? Why it is coming reflecting both here? Because of this statement. LST dot append 3. LST now in LST, in LST means in this I'm adding 3. So again this statement will follow and it will 3. So mirroring it is happening. You see that mirroring case. Now tell me, the address of both LST and LST1 will be same or different? Please don't, and you have to
It will
give me
be
the
same. It will be same.
okay.
It will be same because both are holding same values. So it will automatically address will be pointed to the same location.
All right. Yes. What's the name? Shubham.
Yes, sir, same. We have mentioned that LST is equal to the LST1, so that the value are so the address is same.
All right. Okay. Wait. The logic you are saying same. Sri is also saying same, but the statement of your and Sri is different. Sri, why you are saying it is same?
Because LST1 and LST is holding the same value, so that compiler will, instead of storing in
Okay.
multiple address, it
So
will
you are
store in the
saying
same.
okay. Okay. Interesting part. So because the value is same, the address same, right?
Yes.
No,
And what you say?
because we have mentioned LST is equal to LST1. That is why the address is same. It's all depend upon LST and LST1, the key.
So see here. Okay. Value same. That is the reason the both values address same, right, guys? Sonal, what you say?
Might be the actual memory address is same. That's why it will show as output. It's showing as a 4-3 output. So that's why the address is same.
All right. Hey, Shubham, I guess you have given me some different statement first time. Let me tell you. You guys are saying because of, let me try this. Yes. See, because of the values same, the address, if the should be same, right? According to your statement. But here my values same, but it's showing the different. Yes, guys, make it fast. Fast answer. Shri, what do you say now?
Yeah. Yeah, my answer is wrong. Because
Yeah.
like LST equals to LST1, that's the reason it's saving in the same address memory.
And I guess in previous session we have already discussed this part.
Okay.
So I told you guys a single concept will make a big difference. You have to be very much clear. This is happening because of this statement only. Okay. So it is a single pointer. You understand this? this become a single pointer. Either you add the value in LST or LST1. The effect is coming in both. Is it clear, guys?
Yeah.
Either you add in LST1 or LST, the value is coming adding in the both, meaning this represent a same pointer. Okay.
Okay.
And if I write the same statement here, LST is equal to LST1. See that. This is the only one logic why the two lists having the same address. Hope it's clear, guys.
Yeah.
Sonal, Subham.
Yes, sir.
Sir, clear.
Interesting.
This is clear.
So guys, again I'm repeating your previous, and we have already discussed this in previous session as well. So I'm telling you again, every single concept is very, very important. It will lead to another concept. All right, guys. This is a tricky question, and when it's an interview, to track you, okay, to trap
Okay.
you in between. All right, guys. Thank you. So
One question here. Instead of here LST1, LST equals to LST1 we have assigned in the third line, right? If the LST1 equals to LST, then what will be the value?
you're saying this,
LST1
right?
equals to, yeah. So it will
Okay.
be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 4, 3, right?
Right. Simple. Let me
Okay.
LST is
One.
equal to the previous statement was this, right? LST1, right?
Yes.
So let's off this. That is the best way. Off and on condition. So this is the always give you the more clarity. Okay.
Okay.
All right, guys.
Yeah, fine.
Switch this. Take this. Best
Okay.
way to use. So use the Jupyter notebook the way you can. All the samples.
Yeah.
Functionalities are
Sure.
all right, guys.
Okay.
So
Yes, sir.
I guess this is the last topic for today. Case 3A, B, C. We have two cases, right? Case 3 and 3. This we have done, right? Over it. Where we are? Append ID. Okay. String split into create a list. Meaning, I am learning Python is a string. LST2 LST2 assigning the value like this of LST with the delimiter comma. Default delimiter is space and tab. In my string, the delimiter is what? Comma, and I've written this. So print LST2. Yes, guys, you can see the output. I am learning Python. This is what, guys? Yes, please. LST1 type is what?
String.
Sorry.
String.
Exactly. Now you see that you can initialize the value of list like this as well. We can assign the value, not initialize. You can assign the value like this, and here is comment. Fine, Sonu, is that clear?
Clear.
All right, guys. So that's all for today's session, and hope, guys, I am not at my office location because of some urgent issue. I shifted to other place, so not able to upload the video. So allow me time till tomorrow. The video will be uploaded at that time. So maybe it delay for a day, but yes, there's all the topics which you have done. I will do one thing. It's being available on the blog as well. So if in case you don't remember this all the command, take the reference of the blog and do the practical from there itself, because it may get delay to upload the videos on LMS. Okay.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Okay. Thanks, Sri. Thanks, Sonal.
Thanks.
Thank you. Happy learning. Good night. Take care.
Good night, sir. Good night, everyone.
Good night. Good night.